Yeah, so we're obviously not going to be out there doing any cars today, but what I thought I would do is bring you along to get some supplies. So we need some new shampoo. There's a specific store that I go to get my car supplies, and this shampoo is one of a kind. You may not have heard of it before, but come with me. The Platinum Original, or the other ones, which one should we get? Yeah, so obviously that was a joke. I thought I'd try and make the intro a little bit light-hearted. Please don't use Fairy washing up liquid or whatever brand washing up liquid on your vehicle. You know, I do come across this quite often. I know some of my clients used to wash the cars with washing up liquid. Washing up liquid is a really good degreaser. That's why it's really good for cleaning your pots and your pans in your kitchen, but I wouldn't recommend that you use it on your vehicle. You'd be surprised on how many people actually use washing up liquid to wash the vehicles. You know, it's convenient. You've potentially already got some in the house. What they don't realise is the damage that can potentially cause to the vehicle. Maybe not even in the shorter term, but certainly in the longer term. A couple of reasons why that can be really damaging to your vehicle is, one is it can degrade any protectants that you've got in the car. So if you've got a wax or a sealant. Using washing up liquid, you might think you're doing a good thing by, you know, maintenance washes and keeping your vehicle looking nice and shiny. However, that will be degrading that wax or protectant a lot sooner, a lot quicker, therefore leaving your vehicle vulnerable to the elements, which is what we don't want. Another reason is that, you know, potentially just education. You don't know any different. You're not aware of the implications of using washing up liquid compared to using a dedicated car shampoo. So yeah, I'd recommend that you don't use washing up liquid. And I do recommend that you do some research and find a shampoo that's, you know, going to be, that is designed to be safe and, you know, not cause any damage on your vehicle. If you're looking for a recommendation, I personally use a shampoo called Alto Bright Purple Velvet. You know, this shampoo is fantastic. Obviously, it's a dedicated car shampoo. It does add a lot of lubricant to the bucket, so into the water, so you know it helps the mitt that you're going to be using glide over the paintwork, and it does, you know, it leaves a fantastic glossy finish. Do your research, you'll find something that's going to be suitable for you. I mean, there's a whole range of shampoos out there, and then relatively inexpensive, especially if you're going to a proper detailer supplier. Another reason why I don't recommend you put washing up liquid in your wash bucket to clean your vehicle is that a lot of washing up liquids do contain abrasives. So potentially similar to the sponge episodes where we talked about how a sponge could potentially damage your vehicle, that's the same with washing up liquid. So a combination of them both, well, you can imagine the damage you're causing. A lot of the manufacturers put abrasives, micro abrasives into the washing up liquid, and that's how it, you know, does its job, and that's how it does its job efficiently. It breaks down the grease, you know, the stuck on food. Hence when you've left the plate on the side and, you know, the leftover sauce is dried into the plate and it's, you know, really difficult to get off with just water. You know, once you get some of the washing up liquid in there, you know, it really breaks it down super fast. It's not just the liquid itself, it's those micro abrasives in there that help remove the dirt. Yeah, so I like to keep these little car cleaning tips for beginners videos relatively short and to the point. So if you've made it this far, I do appreciate you taking the time out to watch the video, and I'd be forever grateful if you could like the video and subscribe. It does help us reach a wider audience, therefore we can help more people with these beginner tips. And when I say beginner tips, this is for extreme beginner tips. So we'll work our way up to a more intermediate and then to a more advanced level of cleaning. And if you come along this journey, then, you know, hopefully it's going to add value, you know, and help you look after your vehicle in a safer, more efficient way and to get results that you'll be proud of. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you at the next one.